Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to see who logged in your Instagram account from PC. So go to any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome, then type the word instagram.com, then you have to log in pass, then you'll see the your account like this. Then what do you need to do? You need to click here the more left bottom corner on your screen, and then click the settings, then click the personal details, and then click you can see password and security, and click where you are logged in. It means that if someone log in your account, you will see all the location, all their device name, their location here. So simply click where logged in, an account, then you can see Windows and plus 3 more device my account is logged in, so you can easily detect them that from where they are using their account. So click here, then you will see here, okay, select device and logged out. So it's really easy. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video. See you the next one.